3 hot tips to increase your Forex profits. Many businesses try different strategies to increase their chances of gaining more profit. Some use search engine optimization, while others use network marketing. One strategy that businesses try is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has many great qualities, as it increases customers and profits. If you would like tips on using affiliate marketing, then watch this video. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, ask if cookies are used to track sales and link customers back to the original referrer. Cookie tracking helps to track individual visitors that follow a link from you to the affiliate site. If they return to the affiliate site again at a later time to make purchases, you can still receive a commission. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. Proper affiliate marketing is going to take a lot of research on your part, but that doesn't mean it has to be tedious. Thanks to viral video sites like YouTube and Dailymotion, just to name a couple, you can now check out entertaining tutorials that are not only entertaining but are also 2-for-1 opportunities, as they tell you how to do something and show you. To maximum your affiliate marketing profits, work with a variety of retailers who sell similar products. You should aim to promote anywhere from 3 to 4 different retailers on your site. This gives you data on how affiliates compare to each other, and also gives your readers options. Try rotating the merchants you work with to find out which ones are best for you. Affiliate marketing need not be your website's sole revenue stream. The same site that generates affiliate money can also use other advertisement strategies, like Google AdSense. In order to maximize effectiveness, though, it is best to keep some separation between your advertisers. Avoid working with 2 advertisers offering similar products to prevent them from cannibalizing potential customers off of each other. Select your affiliations carefully. Take some time to look at the different options available for different services and products. Think about what your readers like, or may possibly need. Also, change your ads around often to see which ones are more effective, try different ads and use different graphics. You don't want to spend much time working on a company's affiliate program only to never get paid or to discover that they mistreat referrals. Check the company's reputation by visiting the appropriate blogs and user forums. Test communications through email and telephone. Do they promptly answer emails? Are they rude? Are phone calls put on eternal hold? The way they treat you is how they will likely treat the customers you refer to them. As stated before, businesses try different strategies to gain profit. One of the strategies that businesses use is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing increases customers, which increases profits, while also advertising the product. Using the tips from this video, you can use affiliate marketing to drive your business to great success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.